Hey guys, it's Chris with MarketIntelligence.com, and on today's video I'm gonna reveal a way you can make $100 in less than 1 hour. There is a little bit trick and twist on it, so stick with me all the way down to the end of this video. It's not long, so I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do and follow. But before we go ahead and start this video, if you just landed on my channel, if this is gonna be your first video, make sure you click the subscribe button because I want you to be part of my channel, guys. It would be a great honor for me. I learn a lot from you as well. And next to it there is a bell notification. Make sure you click the bell notification as well so you can receive a notification for the videos I release for you every single day with brand new free amazing ways to make money online from the comfort of your house. So with no further ado, guys, let's go ahead and start today's video. The site I'm gonna talk about is called Capterra.com. Yeah, a friend from Germany sent me to go and review this site, and it's pretty nice. There's a couple of twists and things you need to be aware, so let's go ahead and start with it. Number one thing from the comments and I get from you, if this is available around the world. Unfortunately, I couldn't see. I could see for some of the European countries like Germany, Sweden and so on, this is available. US was available, UK was available. So go ahead. How you register, guys? You can register with your LinkedIn account. There is another way when to click the write a review and become a reviewer, because this is what we're gonna do on this site. So you can check if your country is available, nothing to lose. So as I told you, what you do with Capterra.com, there is actual real reviews from real people for different software. So these companies are working, this website is working with big companies. Even Google is here with different applications and software they have. And people come and choose what software they'll be using, and they're giving a very nice, well, they're giving their feedback anyway. So based on your feedback, you're gonna get paid. Yeah, so you're getting about 10 USD for each review. And you can do maximum 10 reviews as one user. You cannot do more. So that's why the video says make 100 USD with less than an hour, because it doesn't take you an hour to do these reviews. So it's a great way to do it. Make sure you when you write a review or when you want to browse on the upper right side to write a review from here, you can see that there is different software categories that here people come and search. Regardless the major category, you can search from here. It's going alphabetically. It goes by popular categories like church software, LMS software, maintenance software, and so on. You can scroll down, and let's say for example you're looking for the 360 degree feedback software. You click here. You can see reviews. So this is what the people want to buy something or to download something. They are not sure. They can come here and get actual reviews. So you can see, let's say for example, actual reviews for this one. There is 15 5-star reviews from Vibecatch. You click here, you visit their site, and you download it. Yeah. So this is how this website is working. They have available software here. Us as a user, we can go get actual feedback and we can get paid for it. So go back to the home page. Yeah. And you can click on the write a review, and pretty much you're gonna get a menu of different popular softwares you can review. Each review, as you can see, we have Microsoft here, we have Basecamp, FreshBooks, HubSpot, QuickBooks, and based on your location country you'll be receiving much more or much less. Yeah, I've seen a page that was over 30 something software you can choose from. And leave your feedback. Now, as a review, I just wanted to give you this how it looks like, so you have an idea what you should be expecting. Once you click, let's say for example, I was doing something for Google Docs, yeah, and you will be able to see this is the one. You just rating star wise, so just click, 5 stars, 4 stars, depending on how you feel like about this software, and from 0 to 10 how you like it. Then you go to the second page. You can see it's 3 pages long, very easy. Title your review, pros and cons of your review. What did you like the most? What did you like the least? Describe your overall experience. You type in, and you come to the last page where you put your information. As I told you guys, they take it very seriously when it comes to make sure you're a human being and you don't try to fool or scam them. Yeah. So if you're thinking that you can make 10 accounts with 10 different emails, because almost a lot of people can make emails now and go and submit the reviews and do it. It doesn't work like this. So be careful, because you might lose even your actual real account. So the best way to do it, the faster way for them to review, is to sign in with your LinkedIn account, because it's the easiest and fastest way for them to verify. Use your LinkedIn account if you have one. If you don't have, you can always make one. LinkedIn is a very nice professional social media to have. I highly recommend it. And you can put your information here if you want to go with the traditional way, if you don't have a LinkedIn, and you can go from there. Sorry, what this is, I wanted to show you, just hidden away. You're gonna get paid by getting a virtual Visa card with a payment which is gonna look like something like this. I just went and I hidden the name when the payment is sent out. So this is what I wanted to show you guys, a very nice way on how you can make 100 USD in less than an hour, because as I told you, it's 3 pages long, or some of these steps takes just 2 clicks to do it, and you can make some good money by doing just that I described now. So go ahead, write a review on it, become a member, start making some money out of it. As I told you, 100 USD is the maximum you can do, but 100 USD you didn't have yesterday, and if you write good reviews, it's a very, very welcome amount to have, and enjoy it as you wish after you receive it. Now, if you want to see how you can make passive income from the comfort of your house, free, with proof, money comes in, click my #1 recommendation below and give it a shot. It's free, guys, with a video step-by-step proof, show you everything that we're doing, and money comes in. It changed my life, it will change yours. Make sure you give it a shot. This is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to click the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching the videos. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, guys. Enjoy the day. Bye-bye.